joining us. Hi Dhwani, thank you so much. Good afternoon to you. Let's take stock of how the market is shaping up. Dhwani, it's a, at least in the Nifty, we are pretty range bound. The support level of 20 to 800, we have broken that down. What are the next levels that you're watching out for? Also, Nifty Bank is pretty flat today. It's below its key levels. No action there as well. So, is it really resting for, a stronger move now?
Good afternoon. And talking about the index over here, particularly starting with Nifty first over here, definitely 22,800 was a mark that we had all been eyeing for on the higher side. That one should act out as a support. But given a breakdown for this one, we are eyeing at lower numbers over here. 22,500 is what is the next level of support that one has to look out for. Given this one breaks on the lower side, precisely 22,460 level, which is broken on the lower side, we'll be seeing further fall coming in on Nifty over here. And the next support level lies at 22,180. So 22,460 to 22,500 acts as a good range of support over here. Given this holding out and we cross 22,770 mark, on the higher side, we'll be seeing 23,000 being regained over here. So as of now, looking at the short-term trend, the view over here on Nifty remains as sell on rise. Given we cross 22,700 on the higher side, the view can change over here on the bullish side for short-term basis. But given this one is holding out as a strong resistance, the view remains on the bearish side for now. Given Bank Nifty over here is showing some subdued momentum over here, but the momentum still remains on the negative side on the Bank Nifty as well. On the higher side, we are seeing 48,850 as a mark of resistance over here on Bank Nifty. And on the lower side, given we break previous day's low over here, which is at 48,300 mark, we'll be seeing further fall coming in on Bank Nifty as well. On the lower side, the next support level that we see for Bank Nifty is going to be at 47,920 mark. So on the higher side, definitely, yes, the resistance are there. The index are trying to regain those resistance levels and cross above the same, but the sustenance above the same is not coming into picture over here. And for that reasons, the review on the index remains as sell on rise.
Sell on rise on the index level. Yes, Dhwani, a lot of sector churning is also underway, but give us a sense that how should one approach the market right now, because a lot of these traders and investors are stuck. Should they use this as an opportunity to move out of some of those weaker hands and trades, or rather look out for some of the other opportunities where they can go ahead and short when they get a good opportunity? Both the questions, how should one see the markets and play this, and any other sectors that you wish to flag off which could be good sell on rise candidate?
Absolutely, Shrishti. Over here, looking at the markets on the broader spectrum, we are definitely seeing that certain stocks are bottoming in over here. We have been seeing good action coming in on the FMCG counters in today's session, and even in yesterday's session, we did see some counters giving up on the higher side over here. And apart from this, we are also seeing that certain financial counters, especially the Bajaj twins, are on the focus from my side over here. Looking at the retailers, of course, you're seeing portfolios being beaten down drastically over here given the fall in the mid cap and the small cap. I would suggest that if you're looking up at an investment point of view, one should look up at the strong names over here, look up at the larger caps over here where we are seeing bottom formations coming into place. The stocks are testing their support levels back again. This is the time where you can park in some of your money over here. Let's say you're interested to invest in 100 over here. 25 is what you should be investing at this point in time into the markets given the fall over here. And then once we find out a base over here, then the other 25, and then on confirmation of an upward trend, the other 50 is what one should be putting it into the markets over here. So investing in tranches is what I recommend over here from investment perspective. From traders perspective, yes, it's a sell on rise market. Look up at stocks where you are seeing that, top formations are happening, like metals is what we are seeing, has seen a lot of beating down coming in over here. Those are the sectors where you should be looking up at sell opportunities into this market.
All right, Dhwani, you mentioned a couple of things. Firstly, to look at the large cap names that have been bottoming out. You also mentioned the FMCG pack. So what are the values of pocket? What are your picks? Are they from these pockets?
Yes, absolutely, Ankita. From my side, there are two picks coming in over here. The first one is on Colpal, Colgate Palmolive. If you look up at the daily structure over here, the stock has found a bottom on short-term basis over here, and from there we are seeing a bounce coming in. There is buying action that can be clearly seen in this particular counter till 2700 is what is the target coming in for this one, and the stop loss that one needs to maintain on the lower side is going to be of 2430. And the second counter, of course, I mentioned of Bajaj Twins. I could not miss on that. So Bajaj Finance is where I feel the chartical structures are much more promising over here. Given a buy at the current level, 8660 is the target on short-term basis. Having crossed, we'll see further highs coming in on this one. And the stop loss of 8310 has to be maintained on this one.
All right, Dhwani, with this, we let you